Alright, so today we're going to be looking into GUI label output fields, and what we're going to do first in this program is import tkinter and build a class Kilometer Converter GUI. So we're going to do the same conversions as we did in the last program. And by label output fields, I mean instead of having a new window pop up and say that oh, you converted this much miles, and then you click OK to exit the window, it's just gonna show it in the same GUI window, main window. It's gonna appear in that same frame, and you'll see it like that, since it's a little more convenient to see sometimes depending on what you're doing. So yeah, that's the reason behind that. So here we do self.main window equals tkinter.tk for that, declare that, then you assign the frames like so, tkinter.frame. Prompt label, type in the label, set it to the frame, enter text. Kilo entry, you type in the entry class, set it to your frame and the width. Pack them. Here we got a description label. We'll set it to mid frame, which we assign up there, and add text. Here is an important part. Here you gotta type in a name, followed after yourself, of course, and then you equal tkinter.string var like this, in the function thing. And then here we're gonna type in miles label, and then the label is gonna be equal in the mid frame, and then we're gonna type in text variable equals self.value. So whatever this label is, which is going to be right next to this description, is going to be this value. And then we're going to pack them to the left. Here's the calc and quit button. We know that. Convert and then destroy. Pack them. Pack your frames, top, mid, and bottom. Call your main loop. And then here we're going to go ahead and convert. So it's the same formula. Kilo equals get, and then whatever you type, times 0.6214. And let's run it. So 1000, right? I could convert. And it does nothing. And this is down here what you need to do. And it took a little while for me to figure this out. And for some reason the book that I was looking at neglected to put this out, so I had to figure it out myself. It's kind of silly. I had to read ahead and see another example. Basically, you want to do self.value.set and then miles. And then value is up here. So this will make that number appear, and miles label will actually have something. Let's start with debugging, and now we get a successful label output, 62.14 or 621.4. I don't even know what I said, but there, I said the correct number. That's what we want to see out of that program. And then here's just a second example, just a little same thing but a little more involved. You go to 3 frames. We make the average frame, okay, and a button frame, okay. So this average frame will be the label, and then no, it's just a frame actually. Interesting. So we're just building a lot more frames here. 5 frames. Label test 1. Okay, so so it's giving me a text, okay. And then we're going to have the text box next to it, and then we're going to pack him. And we're going to do the same thing for all 3 tests, okay. Result label here. Okay, so this is actually going to get the result. It's going to take it to the average frame, which it's hard to visualize right now where it's going to be. But I'm going to assume it's on the bottom. average equals Kilometer string var right here, okay? And then we're going to equal the text equals self dot average, okay? Like usual. I'm going to pack them, of course. The result and the average label. The result is just text apparently, okay? Okay, quit pack, okay? And then we pack all 5 frames. Okay. And then main loop, okay? And then calc average is going to be called when we click the calc button, okay? And passing self, it's going to gain entries, inputs, okay? And then self average will take that, do the math, and then we'll set the number to that of AVG. Okay, because somewhere test 1 entry should be getting. Okay, yep, it is getting. So I know the frames are here, another frame's right here, another frames are here, another frames right here, another frames are here. So I just want to check out the frames here for a bit. The button frame should be the 4th, and then the button frames. Okay, so they stack in like layers like this. Okay, I think I see how it's going, and I'm thinking it's by order of how you pack them. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Oh, and you can stretch them a little too. Okay. Well, one person's gonna get 100, one person's gonna get 90, and 95. It should average out to be 95. Perfect. And terrible grades. A 52. Okay. Alright, so that's the program. A little more advanced there. Cool. So yeah, just put them in, pack them, get this sort of function going, and yeah.